Hi everyone, it's Clyde at Vibrant Soap, and continuing with one more soap in the Hawaii themed soaps. And it's kind of cold in my kitchen today, and that's why I'm wearing this jacket. So why am I making this soap that's like shave ice? And well, it's one of my memories of the North Shore in Oahu, where my dad was from, to go to the Matsumoto store to get shaved ice. And it was special because this shaved ice not only had shaved ice and all the flavors, but you could also get all these delicious toppings on it. And the store is still there. I don't know how long they've been in business, but it's been for a long time. And anyway, there's a secret too that I have to tell you, and that's, but don't tell anyone. Okay, let's get started with the making of the soap. Alright, soaping at about 75 degrees today. And I've got some extra little tools to help me make this soap. So let me blend my oils and milks and clay as usual. That looks nice and creamy. And get the lye in there. And let me just zip through this part and get to the pouring. Okay, so I've got my fragrance oil in there too. I'm going to pour this first. It's going to be my white. It's my smallest amount. And I want about 16 ounces. Let me weigh this. Okay, now that I see how much 16 ounces, I can visualize that. And my fragrance oil is a mix of all those great fruity flavors of shave ice. Okay, so let's blend the colors first. I want to pour the middle first, and that's going to be my green and yellow. And I want that to be the most fluid. You'll see why in a moment. Okay, I'm going to pour those. So you can see why I'm using these thin nozzles. It's a little sloppy, but as I've learned, it always works out. That's the grape part. Used to be one of my favorite flavors in snow cones. And I poured the same amount for each of the colors, but since these are wider, they'll fall down a little deeper in the mold, and that's intentional. You'll see why. That's a nice sherbet color. Blend my white. It's okay if it thickens up. So I'm going to pipe that, so I want it to thicken up. Still not thick enough yet. Another tool I'm going to use is this. I'm going to scrape it across the top of this part to make a nice round snow cone-like shape. This is the part I really hate, especially with gloves, because everything's so slippery. And I want that to set up a little bit first. And I'm going to scrape my colors to these smaller molds so I can use the soap at least. Okay, I'm ready to scrape this down. Takes a little work, but it's very enjoyable. Okay, let's see how this white is doing. I think I'm gonna blend that one last time. Put it in my piping bag. Actually, gonna let that set up a little bit more. That'll give me some time to clean up some of my mess. Fill the piping bag. Okay, so I just did a test, and I want to get it piped in these little edges first. It's been a long time since I've done any piping, but this design really needed it. Okay, that ended up being a good amount. And then I want to add some glitter, of course, to a snow cone fragrance. This is snowflake mica. And we'll bring you back for the cut. Okay, let's cut this shave ice soap. I was hoping that that rounded top would work out. And that's fun. It does look delicious. It was a messy soap for me to make, but just kind of trying new things. And it does bring back memories of those hot summer days in Hawaii when we would go to the Matsumoto store, get some snow cones, shave ice as they call it in Hawaii. My favorite was they would put vanilla ice cream with the snow cone, and that was really delicious, so that's why I have the white top. As you can tell, I'm probably wishfully beckoning summer to come with all my tropical soaps and this shave ice soap. You can see where that green kind of bled underneath the divider. But I did want the colors to be striped vertically because I remember that that's how they poured the flavored syrup into the shaved ice. It smells great. I tried to remember all those sweet, fruity flavors that were available. Do a search for Matsumoto store. It's been there since I think around 1956 or 57. Not too far from my dad's hometown in Wailua. Thanks for watching, and I'm trying to figure out why my channel is hidden from so many people. Some people that were following me a long time ago said, I'm glad you're starting to make videos again, and I really haven't stopped. So, if you could do me a favor of a thumbs up and a subscription and a comment if you have the time, I'd really love that. And thanks for visiting the Vibrant Soap web store, vibrantsoap.com. And if you haven't checked out the whole sort of island themed series, I think you'll like it. I think people really liked the volcano soap last couple videos ago. And we'll see you next time. All right. Thanks, everybody. Ending on this really wonky bar right here. But we'll bring another one right there. So we'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.